Waking up with stiff joints. Here's what your body's trying to tell you: waking up and feeling like your joints are stuck. Stiff knees, tight fingers, or a sore back. It's more common than you might think, and it's not just about getting older. Joint stiffness in the morning can affect anyone. You go to bed feeling fine, but by morning, even basic movements feel slow and uncomfortable. It can make the start of your day frustrating, even painful. So what causes this, and what natural remedies actually work? Let us break it down, simply and calmly, and explore how to bring ease back to your mornings. What's causing morning joint stiffness? The root cause usually comes down to three key things: inflammation in the body, lack of movement during sleep, and poor hydration or diet affecting joint lubrication. Your joints are like hinges. If they dry out or become inflamed, they don't move smoothly. Add in 7 to 8 hours of lying still, and no wonder you feel tight when the alarm goes off. But there are natural, gentle ways to reduce this discomfort. Starting tonight, 1. Reduce inflammation with anti-inflammatory foods. When your body is inflamed, even at low levels, it often shows up first in your joints. One of the most powerful daily health tips for reducing inflammation is adding omega-3 rich foods to your diet. These include chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. Also, try using turmeric in your cooking or in warm drinks. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a known natural remedy for joint pain and stiffness. Add a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb it more effectively. 2. Hydrate your joints with water and minerals. Joint cartilage is made mostly of water. If you're dehydrated, even a little, your joints feel it first. Drinking more water sounds simple, but it's one of the easiest ways to support joint health. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day and more. If you're drinking coffee or live in a dry climate, for better absorption, add a pinch of natural sea salt or a slice of cucumber or lemon. These provide trace minerals your joints love. You can also include bone broth in your meals, a traditional, natural remedy packed with collagen and amino acids that support joint and immune health. 3. Gentle movement. First thing in the morning. This one's a game changer. Don't jump out of bed and rush around. Instead, start your day with a few minutes of gentle stretching. Try simple neck rolls, shoulder circles, or pulling your knees to your chest while still lying down. These tiny movements wake up your joints, increase circulation, and reduce stiffness within minutes. If you enjoy a morning walk, go for it. Just 10 minutes outside can warm up your joints and boost mood naturally. And don't forget, consistency matters more than intensity. It's better to stretch a little each day than do a long session once a week. Bonus daily health tip. Watch your sleep position. Sleeping in awkward positions or on a mattress that lacks proper support can silently contribute to joint stiffness. Try placing a pillow between your knees if you sleep on your side, or under your knees if you sleep on your back. These simple adjustments reduce pressure on joints overnight. Final thoughts. Morning joint stiffness doesn't mean you're broken. It asks your body asking for a little more care. By focusing on anti-inflammatory foods, hydration, and gentle movement, you can ease stiffness, protect your joints long-term, and feel better. Naturally, it doesn't take a full lifestyle overhaul. Just a few small, intentional changes can make your mornings smoother, lighter, and more enjoyable. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who wakes up feeling stiff too. And if you'd like more natural remedies and daily health tips to support your body and mind, don't forget to subscribe. Let's make every morning feel a little more free, one small change at a time.